Hi everybody. I'd like to introduce you to this idea about coin identification. The coins on the image are shown as different colors and different sizes, and dimes are pretty close to pennies. They're just a teeny bit smaller, a few millimeters. Then comes nickels, and then comes quarters. When you run the Huff transform, if you get your outline as a single pixel width-wide outline, the Huff transform forms an accumulator, and the accumulator output can be seen here. Once the accumulator runs, you can get not just the centers, but the radii of the circles. And what I like to do is I like to get all of the centers and the radii, and I sort them in order of radius, smallest first. And then I color my coins so that they match dimes as blue, pennies as red, nickels as green, and then quarters as orange. So it's really good if you have a data structure for your circle. And the way I like to arrange these sorts of things is I create a little internal class for my circle, and here it is. My circle here is shown as implementing comparable, and it's got center and radius. And then I put in a compare to, so that if the radius of an incoming circle is greater than the present circle, I return -1, and otherwise I return 1, and if they're the same, I return 0. And then when I get my circles, I can then proceed to go through my program, and I can sort the circles because they implemented the comparable interface. And so that sorts them in order of smallest circle first. And then what I notice is that dimes are blue, red is pennies, green is nickels, and orange is quarters, and the dimes are smaller than pennies. Pennies are smaller than nickels, and nickels are smaller than quarters. So then I set up a little color array in the order of the colors, blue, red, green, and orange. And so here's the little array, blue, red, green, and orange. And then I throw up a color index and set it equal to 0. And then as I go through my circles, they've already been sorted. I need the radius, but the radius is half the size of the diameter, so I double that to get diameter. And I compare the radius with the last radius found, and if the radius is increased, then I increment my color index going to the next color. And then I overwrite my last radius found. I set the color based on my color index, and then I fill in my oval using the diameter, and then I offset by the radius so that the circle will be properly centered over the x and y coordinate. And that's how you do the proper labeling of the circles when you're doing a Huff circular transform. The tricky bit, I guess, is to figure out how to build up your circles so that you can proceed to get your circles out of the Huff circular transform. And once you've got that, the rest kind of falls right into place. Hope that helps. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.